Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Jeffree Star mystery box. So I'm super excited for this box. I did get all three sizes of the Halloween mystery box, but this video is just going to be for the ultimate box, which is the largest box. So why I'm so excited is because Jeffree said that these mystery boxes here are the most insane mystery boxes that he's ever done. So we're going to find out if they really are. This video here is just going to be for the ultimate mystery box for this guy here. As you guys can see, I did not open it, did not tear it, and nothing is ruined. So I'm going to be surprised in opening this with you guys on camera. Okay, so I can't wait any longer. If you guys want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. I say this all the time, but I need to get a box cutter. I need to add that to my list because I always forget to get one. But there is a tear here, so it actually works out that I don't have a box cutter. I think we can kind of just tear this guy apart. That literally did nothing. Yep. Let's see if I can like use my nails, which have to be filled really badly, to like poke this open or something. Slowly but surely. Luckily, my fat ass just ate, so I have a fork up here. Let's clean this baby off and then whip it open. Alright, so luckily for that fork, we got in. So my address is right here, so I'm going to kind of do this swiftly so I don't show it to you guys. Alright, are you guys excited? Let's see. Oh my god. Oh, I see something neon. What is it? Oh my god. Ooh. What is this? Snap, yo. Your girl got a jumpsuit. So this is the jumpsuit that I got. Which I don't know if I'll be able to keep because my dumbass thought it was going to be just like, you know, like a hoodie or a shirt. So I ordered an extra large to try to get like the big size because I didn't think that would sell out fast. So a jumpsuit, unless they run small, will probably be rather large on me. So I don't know if I'll get to wear this, but I'm definitely going to try it on. And it's so bright, like, what? If I decide to go out walking at night, I'm golden in this. I am just set and ready to go. Don't have to worry about any cars hitting me, that's for sure. Although cars might want to hit me because I'm dressed wearing this. I don't know. We'll see. I'm opening the top part because I want to see what it looks like and how big it is. Oh my god, this is huge. Takes up my whole screen and then more. Yeah, I'm still gonna try it on, but oh my god, the arms are so long. I'm gonna swim in this. I'm going to swim. But your girl finally got a jumpsuit, even if it's gonna be too big. I got a jumpsuit. I'm excited. Okay, so I have to open the pants too to see how big these are. Alright, so these are what the bottom of the jumpsuit's looking like. Might actually fit me, especially, yeah, there's a drawstring, so it might just be super cozy and like chill. I could wear this with like a fitted tank top. Kind of feeling it. I'm excited. I'm totally going to try it on and see. But it's like a bright neon green. I don't know if it's showing up really yellow on camera, but it's more green, which I love green. Totally always loved green. So pretty stoked. Got a handy dandy pocket in the back, which is awesome. And these are actually really nice quality, so that is awesome. Alright guys, so this is everything else that's in there, which already I'm freaking out because I don't have this. I know this is this excuse me, just getting over a cold, but super excited. I know this is the red, I think, little mini velour liquid lipstick set, so super excited for that. Which I guess we'll just pull that bad boy out first. And I'm just pulling it out because I kind of just want to be surprised with everything. Here is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It says, love me not, going down the side of the box. Sorry, I have to keep pausing because I keep coughing, so I apologize for that. But this set includes Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I love all of these colors. I think I only have 2 of them actually, which is exciting. I know I have a large size of Watermelon Soda, Unicorn Blood I definitely have, and I think that's it. I don't think I have Red Rum, which I thought I would have, but yeah, all these colors look absolutely stunning. So they're just shades of yellows. Brie, yellows, really? So yeah, they're just shades of reds and pinks, and they're absolutely stunning, and they're the perfect little size too, so you can really try them out. I love that these can be used for the lips or the eyes as well, in case I want to do a really fun liner or just a really fun look with any of these colors. So yeah, super excited about this set. Cannot wait to use it.
I'm gonna try to drink some water to clear my throat, hopefully.
Alright, next I'm just going to stick my hand in and see what I pull out. I did not look down because I want to be surprised. So let's see. First item is, what do we got? A velour lip liner in Dirty Money. What? This is a super fun shade. So, I think, did I take this out the wrong way? I don't know. Let's see. Can never do anything with my nails. Ooh, this is so pretty. I don't have any of his lip liners. I really love that packaging. It's the same packaging as the lip glosses, it looks like, which is really cute. So it looks like this is a fun kind of green, olivey green lip liner. Okay, let's see how this swatches. Oh yeah, that swatches beautifully. So pigmented. So that's definitely a super fun shade. I'm definitely going to try that on my lips and definitely on my eyes too. I think it would look really cool in the eyes as well. But so excited. That's so pigmented, and I'm going to have to try some more of his lip liners for sure. Alright, let's see what we got next. Oh, so it looks like a lip ammunition. So the lip ammunition is in the shade Yummy. This is just what the packaging looks like here. Super cute. Looks like a little bullet, kind of like a tampon too. Ooh, so this is such a pretty purple, like sparkle shade. This is absolutely stunning. So let's see how this swatches. Oh, very pretty. So it doesn't go on too pigmented. I feel like this would just look really pretty and like soft on the lips, or you could top it over something. I don't know if it's going to show up well on camera for you guys, but it has almost a bluish, like purple iridescent like shift to it. Definitely super pretty though. Yeah, let's see what's next. Alright, ooh. Zombie Kiss. This must be for Halloween. Velour Liquid Lip. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's like a sparkly purple. I think I want to wear this on Halloween. It's so gorgeous. Of course, we gotta swatch it. Oh, it's so pretty. And of course, smells so good. It smells like all the other liquid lips. I love it. So that is just what Zombie Kiss looks like. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so we have a Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. Wow, this is so pretty. So this is Caramel Kiss. So it's a really gorgeous caramely sparkly shade. So stunning. I feel like the shade in particular would look absolutely like beautiful on darker and deeper skin tones. I feel like it would look absolutely stunning, but I'm definitely going to try it out and see maybe if it'll work for those like summer months, or if I do a kind of fun like bronzy eye look. But this is so pretty, and of course I want to swatch it. Ooh, that's so pretty. Wow, that's beautiful. Very kind of glittery. So I'm not sure if you guys can kind of see what the Caramel Kiss looks like. It is very glittery and definitely a caramel shade. Cannot stop coughing. Like, this is killing me. Okay, so next, let's see what we got. Ooh, we got a reusable straw and cleaning brush. So, oh, that's awesome. So it's a reusable straw and it comes with its own cleaning brush. And I love that it has a little turtle down there because I know straws get stuck in like turtles and whatnot. So that's awesome. I'm definitely trying to use less straws. So, pardon me. So definitely excited to use this straw. Super pretty. Love the bright orange shade. It's super fun. And it's a Halloween straw. So that's really cool too. Alright, what else we got in here? So we have a velour liquid lip in Venus Flytrap. And I think I had this one. I don't remember if I do or not. Tried to look through like my Jeffree lips and I couldn't find it, but I didn't look thoroughly. So, but I do believe I have this Venus Flytrap, so I'm not going to swatch it in case I want to use it in like a giveaway. But it's a really pretty soft light green shade. Alright. Ooh, we got a velour lip scrub in cucumber mint. What? So this is what the packaging for the cucumber mint velour lip scrub looks like. That does smell good. I'm not a cucumber girl though, so I'm probably not going to use this because I absolutely hate cucumbers. But I think I know somebody that I can give this to that actually loves cucumbers and mint, so I think they will really like it. So, probably going to give this to them. Let's see. What's this? Okay, so we have something that's wrapped. Cute little lime green packaging and Jeffree Star logo sticker. Oh snap! So we got the mini breaker palette. Super excited. So I actually do have this palette myself, so that means I get to use this one for a giveaway, which is super exciting. This is what the outside of the mini breaker looks like. The inside of the palette has a lot of absolutely beautiful pinks. We have some like fuchsias in there and some oranges. And then there's also this kind of like cool toned brown in there too, which is kind of cool to throw in there. There's some purples. It's just a super fun palette and I think it's really, really great to wear like just through any time throughout the year, especially like summer and spring. So pretty. Not sure if my camera's going to focus very well, but I figured I'd show you guys the colors kind of up front so you can get an idea of what they look like and what the shades are. Okay, and then we have something on the bottom here. Let me grab it. It's a Jeffree Star prom. Wait, is this a vinyl? It says prom night. Oh my gosh, wait, can this actually play? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a star-shaped vinyl. That's so cool. I'm like wondering if this actually plays. Totally gonna have to put this on a turntable and see what happens. Okay, so there's one, feels like one last thing in here. Yes. Oh, and it looks like it's gonna be a mirror. Yes. This is what the box looks like. Black and orange. I'm guessing it's gonna be a Halloween mirror. Alright, finally got it open, I think. Ooh, so pretty. So I got a orange and black Halloween mirror. So pretty, super fun. I do have another mirror that I got in one of the other mystery boxes. That's yellow. So now I have a orange and a yellow one. Super excited. This is like the perfect size to just see your whole face pretty much. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my box. All empty. Everything's out. Really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did enjoy this, I do have another one coming up next. It's going to be the middle-sized box as well as the smallest all in one. Definitely think this mystery box was worth it. Super excited to play around with all my goodies and try on that jumpsuit. So if you guys got a mystery box as well, let me know what you got in yours in the comment section below. If you like all things Jeffree, definitely subscribe to my channel. I do post a lot of content that is Jeffree Star related. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next one, bye!